When you start homesteading, you realize just how many things you can stop buying. Today we're sharing 4 everyday products we completely quit purchasing now because we make them ourselves. One of the first things we stopped buying was eggs. Once our chickens and ducks started laying consistently, we had more fresh eggs than we ever expected. We know exactly what our birds eat, who cares for them, and the quality shows in every egg. No more store runs, no more guessing about the freshness, just real food straight here from the homestead. Next up is cleaning supplies. We used to spend so much money on spray, scrub, and specialty cleaners. Now, we make everything from vinegar, baking soda, essential oils, and castrol soap. It's cheaper, safer for our home, and works just as well, sometimes even better. Plus, there's something empowering about knowing exactly what's in your cleaners. Another big change was herbs and spices. Instead of buying little jars from the store, we started growing our own spices and drying them ourselves. Not only does it save money, but the flavor is on a whole different level. And the fun part, once you start growing herbs, most of them come back every year. It's basically free refills straight from the garden. And finally, soap. Thanks to our goats, we make our own goat milk soap right here on the homestead. No dyes, no mystery ingredients, just simple nourishing bars that are gentle on skin and smell amazing. It's one of those things we'll never go back to buying again. These are our 4 things we completely stopped buying since we started homesteading. Eggs, cleaning supplies, herbs, and spices, and even making our own soap. It's crazy how much you can make yourself once you start learning from the land. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Acres and More Homestead.